Welcome to part 124 of Daily English. Today's topic: Small talk movies. Do you like watching movies? Example: Do you like watching movies? What's your favorite movie? Example: What's your favorite movie of all time? I like action movies. Example: I like action movies because they're exciting. I prefer comedies. Example: I prefer comedies. They always make me laugh. That movie was amazing. Example: That movie was amazing. I want to watch it again. Have you seen it? Example: Have you seen the new movie yet? I highly recommend it. Example: I highly recommend it. You'll love it. Let's watch a movie together. Example: Let's watch a movie together this weekend. I'm looking forward to it. Example: I'm looking forward to watching it tonight. Mini conversation. Anna, do you like watching movies? Ben, yes. I like action movies. Anna, have you seen the new superhero movie? Ben, yes. It was amazing. I highly recommend it. Anna, great. Let's watch a movie together next weekend. Daily tip. Movies are a popular topic for small talk because almost everyone has a favorite film or genre. Asking about someone's favorite movie or recommending a film helps keep conversations interesting and friendly. Speaking challenge. Talk about your favorite movie. Describe what kind of movie it is, why you like it, whether you recommend it, and invite a friend to watch it with you. Speak using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 125. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.